Good day. My name is Dave De La Serna from BSIT 2B. Today I will be presenting our final requirement for the subject networking communication titled Simulation and Demonstrating of LAN Creation using Cisco Packet Tracer with Subnetting. This presentation focuses on how local area network LAN is designed and simulated using Cisco Packet Tracer, including the proper application of subnetting to efficiently divide a network into smaller segments. Through this demonstration, I will show how devices are connected as an IP address and configured to communicate successfully within the network. The goal of this project is to enhance our understanding of basic networking concepts, improve our skills in network design and configuration, and demonstrate the importance of subnetting in managing network resources effectively. For first step, we have two departments. One router plus two switch plus two PC network 192.168.1.0/24. Step 1, subnetting plan. Department A and B. First step, launch the Cisco Packet Tracer and click the router's lower left down, and click the routers and select 2901 and drag to the workspace in the center. Then drag and click the switch and choose the 2960. Drag, add to switch 0 and switch 1. And third step, click end devices, PC, add two PC in the switch 0. Sa baba ng switch 0 and add two PC again. Sa baba naman ng switch 1. And third step, click the connections, Thunderbolt icon sa left side, sa baba. And choose the copper straight through. Click and select PC 0, pass Ethernet 0, click 0, pass Ethernet 01, and click again copper straight through, PC 1, pass Ethernet, switch 0, pass Ethernet 0/2. Ganun din sa PC 2, pass Ethernet, pass Ethernet 0/1, PC 3, pass Ethernet 0, switch 1, pass Ethernet 0/2. Yan. And choose again the copper straight through, click the switch 0 and pass Ethernet 0/24 and click the router 0, gigabit Ethernet 0/0. Ganun rin sa switch 1, pass Ethernet 0/24, gigabit Ethernet 0/1. Ayan, kung nag-green na. Then, pwede natin silang i-pass forward. Kung hindi pa rin siya naka-green, dapat naka-green na yung PC and switch 0. PC 0 sa PC 1, PC 2, PC 3. Dapat naka-green na. Kung hindi pa naka-green, pwede natin siya i-pass forward. Dito lang. Sa left side, sa baba, arrow. Next step, click the router 0. Click the router 0. Physical tab. Dapat walang naka-input dito na modules. Kung meron man, pwede natin silang i-drag pakaliwa. Like ganito. Kung meron man nakalagay dito, tanggalin natin. Pero normally, wala pong nakalagay ng ganyan. Next step, click the router 0. Click the CLI tab and type no. Then enter again. Then pag may router na lumabas, type enable. Then next, configure terminal. Then interface gigabit Ethernet 0/0. Then IP address 192.168.1.1 space 255.255.255.192. Enter. Then no shutdown. Then exit. Then interface gigabit Ethernet 0/1. Then IP address 192.168.1.65 space 255.255.255.192. Enter. Then no shutdown again. Shutdown. Then exit. Exit again. Then save, write memory. Pag may nakalagay ng okay, ibig sabihin tama lang siya. Dapat makikita po ang okay. The next step, X natin. Yan, makikita natin. Green na siya. Ito. Ibig sabihin naglo-loading pa lang siya. Pwede natin siya fast forward. Yan, nag-green na. And next step, click the PC0. Desktop. Then IP configuration. Then dapat naka-static siya. Then type natin sa IP address 192.168.1.2. Subnet mask 255.255.255.192. Default gateway 192.168.1.1. Then X. Then sa PC1 naman, desktop, IP configuration, IP address 192.168.1.3. Subnet mask .192. Default gateway 192.168.1.1. Then X, PC2, 192.168.1.67. Subnet mask .192. Default gateway 192.168.1.65. Then X, PC3, ganun rin. IP address 192.168.1.67. 192.168.1.67. The address is already used in the network. Ginagamit yata sa kabila. Address. That pala 66 to, sorry. 66. Then sa PC3 ang 67. 192.168. That one, that's 67. Subnet mask. That 192. Default gateway. 192.168.1.65. X. Wait for the network to initialize. Dapat nag-green na siya lahat. Then next step, test natin yung connectivity nila. Sa same department, PC0 to PC1. Click the PC0. Desktop. Command prompt. And type ping 192.168.1.3 and enter. Dapat may lalabas na reply from 192.168.1.3. Pag may lumabas siya, ibig sabihin okay siya. Try naman natin sa ping 192.168.1.66. Yan, may lumabas na reply from 192.168.1.66. Dapat lahat yan successful. And next step, verify naman natin yung router status nila. X natin to. And click the router 0. Shell I tab. Exit muna natin. And enter again. Check natin yung router status. Type natin show space show IP interface space interface brief enter divide show IP interface brief. Yan, lumabas. Dapat ang status nila naka-up, gigabit Ethernet 0/0, up ang status, gigabit Ethernet 0/1, up ang status. Then pag ganyan, okay na siya. X. Ayun lang, dapat na-agree na siya lahat. Then ganun lang ang pag-check ng kanyang status. Ang main objectives ng demonstration na to create two separate subnets from a single network, to configure network device properly, and to verify connectivity between different subnets. And to summarize what I demonstrate today, we successfully created a local network with two separate subnets from a single network's address. I configured one router to switch and for PC with proper IP addressing. Verified that device within the same subnet can communicate directly and device inside different subnets can communicate through the router. All connectivity tests were successfully confirming that our network is functioning properly. Ayun lang po. Thank you.